Hold your hands like this, and now we are going to do the warm-up activity. Yes. Rotate your hand fast. Fast. Stop it. And now we are going to do it as a slow. Slow. Right. Shall we start doing again? Fast. Slow. Yes. And the one more activity is open, close. Open, close, open, close. Okay, kids? So now we are going to see our topic. Today's topic is using a keyboard. Right, children? So in this topic, our content is we are going to do about, we are going to use keys to enter the words and numbers. So our topic is keys for entering words and numbers. Right, children? So our lesson name is using a keyboard. Okay, this is our computer. Our entire parts of the computer is kept here, and see, this is our monitor, our CPU, our keyboard, and our mouse is seen in, so it is kept in front of you. Okay, kids? And this is a keyboard, and this keyboard is connected with wires to our CPU, right? And now I am going to show you a real keyboard, right? See, look at children. This is our real keyboard, and this is our wire, and these wires are connected to CPU, right? So this is our real keyboards. Okay, children, and look at this. There are many keys in our keyboard. Okay, keyboard has many keys. See, listen here. Keyboard has many keys. Okay, so though this keyboard has many keys, it is called as keyboard. Okay, children? Our keyboard has many buttons. That's why it is called as keys. Okay, and these keys are used for typing numbers, letters, words, and etc. Okay, kids? So I hope you have all seen a keyboard, right? So our keyboard has many keys. There are many keys. Number 1, alphabet keys. And next is numeric key, that is number key, then special key and function key, and last but not the least is our arrow keys. So these are all the types of keys which is seen in the keyboard. Right, children? So among these keys, now we are going to discuss about 2 keys, that is number 1 alphabet keys and number 2 number keys. Right. So the first key is called as alphabet keys. Alphabet keys. So already we have learned alphabets in English. So likewise our keyboard has nearly 26 alphabets. Okay, kids? How many alphabets are there in our keyboard? There are 26 alphabets in our keyboard. Yes? So by using this alphabets, we can type many words, letters, and etc. Okay? Yes, children. See, by pressing this keys in the keyboard, we can see the text in our monitor. Yes, if you press any keys in the keyboard, that letters is inputted to our monitor. So as a result, we can see the output in our monitor. Okay, so the next key is our number keys. The number keys, it is also called as a letter keys. And this number keys has really numbers from 0 to 9 keys. So the number keys has nearly how many numbers? It starts from the numbers 0 to 9. And these numbers are seen at the top of the keyboard, and at the same time it is also presented at the right corner of our keyboard. Okay, children? So the number keys has a number from 0 to 9. Okay, what's the uses of this number key? We can type the numbers. If you press any numbers in this keyboard, the numbers is automatically inputted to our monitor, and we can see the output as in our screen. Right? So this is the uses of number keys. Okay, children? And once again we are going to revise what are all the topics which we have seen today. We have seen about keyboard and the types of keys. Keyboard has many keys. Among that, today we have discussed about 2 keys. Number 1 alphabet keys, and number 2 number keys. Keyboard has how many keys? Nearly 26 alphabets. Keyboard has nearly 26 alphabets. And it has how many number keys? Number keys from 0 to 9. Okay. And the last activity is a vocabulary. Okay, kids. So I have given you a vocabulary. The first word is keyboard. 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 The first word is keyboard. And our second word is alphabet. ALPHABET. Alphabets. Right? And our third word is keys. 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 Fourth word is number. 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 Yes. And the fifth word is button. BUTTONS. Buttons. Sixth word is letters. 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 And the seventh word is wire. 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 And the eighth word is parts. 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 The ninth word is computer. 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 Okay kids, thank you.